The life that I'm telling you is possible. I am living it. That's why I'm telling you. That's why I'm able to confidently tell you it's possible. I am, if you have not seen any of the episodes, I am living in Malta. Malta is a country that's welcoming to digital nomads, so people who are on a temporary residence visa who are working for companies outside of Malta. I was lucky enough to get this very, 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 I would say luxurious apartment. I mean, there's things that I always see and I'm like, you guys could have fixed this, but there's no way I could have afforded this in New York or I think in the United States, period. So a lot of the girlies you see in Dallas that have a lot of these things, because I think that's like a huge trend. Everybody's moving to either Dallas or Houston, where you have these like city views and like big balconies and huge apartments, whatever. I'm living that at like half the price that they, not even like maybe more two-thirds cut off of the price that they're paying. And I have water views actually. I have views of the Mediterranean Sea. So there's that. I want this for so many other Black women, and I know for a lot of people, or for some people, living outside of your home country is not something necessarily that you are desiring because you want to be able to have a livable wage in the community that you've already built in where you are stationed right now, whether it's in the United States, whether it's in Canada, whether it's in, I don't know, Nigeria. Where are you guys coming from? I'm saying a lot of the most common countries that you guys are usually listening to or subscribing from. And that's totally fair. Um, I'm just showing you the possibilities. Like if there's an inkling of maybe this is something that I might want to do, I want to at least like show you that it's possible. So that's mainly what you get from subscribing to the newsletter. You get tips, I mean, you get an insight into my life as a digital nomad working in tech, remote, um, and living abroad. You get tips, like realistic tips on how you could do that with the various degrees that you have. And I've published an article talking about how degrees that are most popular with Black women allow them to get more opportunities abroad than in their home countries, at least if your home country is the United States for sure. Again, and then I'm sending you these jobs. I'm sending you these opportunities so you can apply for them. So it's a whole circle, not just showing you what's possible, but helping you to get there. It's rough, right? It's you get to be glamorous on the days that you're off. Like that's why I went to the beach club and was working from there. It takes a lot out of you just to live this life. I met someone yesterday during a coffee event that I organized who first of all went to the same church as my cousins in the DMV, which is such a makes me feel like it's such a small world, and has like lived this amazing life working abroad as a social worker. And that's one of the jobs that I featured when I was talking to you, when I wrote this article for you guys about the jobs that help you move abroad as a Black woman if you have this degree. So another example of someone who's doing it. She's doing her social work degree got her a job here that's allowing her to live in Malta. So I want you guys to just hear those testimonials. I want you to hopefully join in in having this better quality of life. I figured that we will do a chit chat video. I don't hear from you guys a lot, and that makes me sad. So maybe this will inspire you to say hi back.